This exercise is called 4-point kneeling Superman, and it's to work the core muscles. Helps with balance and coordination. It's also good for working in the upper zone, which is around the shoulders and the neck also. Okay, so we're going to start by setting our posture firstly. So we're going to ensure knees and feet are hip distance apart. We're going to next move on to our pelvis. So we're going to tilt the pelvis forwards and backwards. So if we imagine headlamps, they go down towards our feet and then up towards our head. And then we're going to find our midpoint position, so that's headlamp shining directly down towards the bed. We're going to set our centre, or look at our centering by gently drawing belly button in towards the spine, trying to maintain that throughout. Okay, so we're next going to move on to the position of our shoulders. So if you think about pushing your hands through into the floor as you arch or lift the chest and breastbone away from the floor. You can also imagine you've got a little candle beneath that you're trying to draw away from the flame, and then we're going to sink the chest down towards the floor. As we do this, we feel the shoulder blades draw together. So we're going to do that again. We're going to rise away, feel the shoulder blades draw forwards on the back, sink the chest down as the shoulder blades draw together, and then aim to find our midpoint position, so shoulder blades are sat on the back where they should be. Draw shoulders away from your ears. Next, looking at our head and our neck, we're going to make sure we're nice and long through the back of our neck, and then imagine we've got hold of a soft peach between our chin and our chest that we're going to try to keep hold of throughout the exercise. Okay, so we're going to start firstly by lifting and hovering one arm away from the floor, reaching to the opposite side of the room and alternating side to side. So the aim when we're doing this exercise is to keep even weight through the supporting arm and the supporting legs. We're aiming to keep the back still so we're not dipping through the lower back. And again, aiming to keep hold of our soft peach between our chin and our chest. To progress the exercise, we're going to add the legs in. So we're going to keep the foot in contact with the floor as we slide the foot away from our body, so sliding the toe towards the opposite side of the room and then changing legs. Again, we're aiming for even weight between our supporting arms and our supporting leg and trying not to dip or twist through the pelvis. If you want to progress a little bit further, as we take that leg out, we can lift and hover it away from the floor. So as we do this, we want to be switching on these buttock muscles, so gently squeeze the bottom as you lift and hover the leg. Again, real focus on trying not to dip through the pelvis and to keep even weight through the upper body, so shoulder blades stay sat nicely on your back. Okay, to progress further, and we only progress once you can do this and maintain your control, we're going to add arm and leg together. So we're going to lift one arm and the opposite leg and then alternate. Okay, so as the effort increases, we want to really be aware of our key elements, so really trying to maintain that nice head position and around our pelvis. Okay.